Hello, I'm Miles Tails per hour. We will learn about stress and strain. Stress and strain gives us a relationship of a curve, which is obtained by gradually applying load to a test coupon and measuring the deformation, from which the stress and strain can be determined. The stress and strain can be normal, shear, or mixture, also can be uniaxial, biaxial, or multiaxial, even change with time. The form of deformation can be compression, stretching, torsion, rotation, and so on. Any material contains gold metal, or iron metal, or even other metals, also called Young's modulus, is a mechanical property that measures the stiffness of a solid material, depending on its elasticity. As soon as you increase strain, firstly, it begins with elastic behavior with high stress. Secondly, the proportional and elastic limit reaches. Thirdly, the plastic behavior reaches with least stress, with ultimate strength. Between two lines at the starting point, a permanent set is indicated. Direct point from elastic to plastic behavior is called Hooke's law. And finally, the fracture point reaches when its neck is formed on a metal and soon is broken. Let's test the gold ring and see if it breaks out. High strength of power. Metal is slowly elongating, transforming from elastic to plastic behavior. And the gold ring came apart. Ouch! It really hurts my hand. So now we'll check out the formulas in the next part. Like, comment, and subscribe now.